Imagine waking up one day and realizing that a woman you thought valued your presence suddenly starts ignoring you. Not with violence, not with anger, but with that silent distance that feels sharper than rejection. And something inside you asks, what changed? Did she change, or did I stop seeing myself clearly? This is where the story starts, not with her silence, but with your response to it. Because in a Machiavellian perspective, the question is never, how do I make her care again? But how do I protect my value while I respond? Machiavelli does not teach you how to beg for attention. He teaches you how to maintain position. And if you want to know what to do when a woman ignores you, stay with me to the end. Because there is a sentence waiting for you there that may change the way you see relationships forever. That is the hook. Now I will give you the loop, the idea we will return to over and over again. The heartbeat of this entire lesson. Do not chase what does not come closer. Build what makes others come to you. Every time your emotions push you toward overreacting, come back to this loop. The first mistake people make when a woman ignores them is trying to explain their worth. But value that must be explained is already being negotiated downward. In Machiavellian logic, value is not described, value is demonstrated. And if you have to convince someone that you are worth their attention, you are already losing the negotiation. So the first step is to stop chasing. Do not send long messages asking what happened. Do not argue for your relevance. Do not apologize for existing. Because the moment you trade dignity for attention, you lose both. Control begins with silence, not noise. Before I go deeper, if this already touches something in you, pause for a second and subscribe now. Not for numbers, but because you are the kind of person who searches for understanding instead of impulsive reaction. Subscribe so you don't lose what comes next. Done. Good. Now we continue. Machiavelli teaches that control does not mean controlling the other. It means controlling your reaction to the other. So when she withdraws, you do not recenter her, you recenter yourself. You step back not to punish but to rebalance. Let absence speak for you. Distance can have a voice sharper than arguments. Silence coming from strength is louder than words coming from fear. And at the beginning, you will feel the urge to break the silence, to prove something, to fix the discomfort. But return to the loop. Do not chase what does not come closer. Build what makes others come to you. Now comes the strategic part. Build a relative advantage. If you want to restore your position, develop something that shifts the balance. Improve yourself in a visible, undeniable way. Work on your mind, your body, your projects, your discipline. Become someone whose presence has gravity. People do not regret losing what is static. They regret losing what is evolving. Do not build progress to show her. Build progress to see yourself differently. This is not a tactic to get her back. This is a path to get yourself back. Whoever wins their own internal war does not fear external rejection. Do not justify your silence. Do not write explanations that turn into negotiations. Over-explaining gives the other person the authority to judge your truth. In Machiavellian terms, leave something unsaid. So there is always something to wonder about. Leave a door half open and let curiosity walk toward it. If she asks why you pulled back, do not unload your entire emotional history. Just say, I needed to realign my priorities, nothing more. The incomplete sentence is stronger than the complete confession. We return now to the loop. Ask yourself again, am I trying to recover attention or recover myself? One may come without dignity, the other comes with it. If she comes back with respect, meet her calmly but with boundaries. If she returns without respect, your silence is already your answer. Some chapters are not closed with words, but with elevation. If you are still here, you are not looking for tricks. You are looking for transformation. So before we reach the final principle, here is the second call to action. Subscribe now. Like this video and continue the journey. Because the next steps are not entertainment, they are reconstruction. If what I am saying resonates with you, you are ready for the next version of yourself. Now the final thought. The one that holds the key to the entire situation. When a woman ignores you, do not search for the meaning in her behavior before you. Search for balance in your own. The Machiavellian answer is not to chase attention, but to create presence. If someone does not see your value, do not abandon your value to be seen. Let them misunderstand you at a distance rather than lose yourself up close. Remember this one thing. Do not chase what does not come closer. Build what makes others come to you. That is not cruelty. That is dignity. That is strategy. That is the Machiavellian response to being ignored.